Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Business Studies Class 11th. Begin by mapping the syllabus and marking high-weight chapters, then split study into manageable daily blocks. Prioritize core concepts like business environment, management, and finance, and create one-page summaries after each chapter. Use active recall and short quizzes to test understanding. Balance reading with practical examples and past questions for steady improvement and confidence. Start each study session with a clear goal and a 5-minute review of prior notes to warm up. Keep notes tidy and use color or simple symbols for definitions, examples, and formulas for quick scanning. Convert long paragraphs into short bullets and add a one-sentence summary at the end of each topic. Regularly rewrite or condense notes to strengthen memory and spot weak areas that need extra practice. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make study day snacks tidy and reduce spills on your notes, perfect for long revision sessions. They stack neatly in your fridge and save time on meal prep, keeping focus on study, not cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Practice is where understanding turns into skill, so schedule weekly sessions for past papers and sample questions. Time yourself to build speed and accuracy, then review mistakes to understand why errors happened. Use case studies to apply theory to real situations, and explain answers aloud to solidify concepts. Mix short recall drills with longer written practice to cover both memory and application for better exam readiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.